Hey, hello from Singapore. Today I'm at Merlion Park in China called the because it has the body of a fish tail and the head of a lion. So they combine both into Merlion. It's a very famous tourist attraction here, right here at the first place. And Fullerton Hotel is over that side. There's the casino, Marina Bay Sands over there, Singapore Flyer, Esplanade, and look at the boat there. It's a tourist boat. They come here like every 5 to 10 minutes there's one boat. And at night there'll be some lights there and the many tourists on the boat. I think the price $25 to $30 or it could be more. And the tourists are taking the photos here. It is quite nice. They'll sail here and then they go to the Marina Bay Sands. They go to one round around the Singapore River. Different tourists come here from different countries, from China, Korea, Malaysia, Thailand. Even locals come here. I myself, and then the Philippines, Thai, Vietnam, Asian countries as well as the European countries all come here just to have a selfie. They want to take the photo with the Merlion, and this brings beautiful memories to their tour journey. And everything they look back, they will be smiling even when they board the plane back to their country. They will be looking at these photos and videos. It's a good spot to watch people. If you like to watch people. Oh, there's another tourist boat. And you can go to the beverages here. And kids. A cute boy, right? And parents are taking their photos for him. You know, this place is very special and unique because every time there's a big celebration like New Year's Eve, Chinese New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve, it's all here. And then there'll be like performance by the army during the National Day Parade. And look at that, it's a big bus, Singapore tourist bus that bring the tourists along that bridge, and there are joggers as well. It's a real nice experience. And the air is fresh, so we can actually jog here. And not only that, look at the boat. Alright, nice officially sunset. Look at that, the night scene of Singapore right here from the Merlion Park. Over there is Merlion Hotel once again. The Lion is in the center. Bay Sands and that's over there. Singapore Flyer, Esplanade, and that bridge. Water, I think, is pretty deep. You know, the last time the big celebration here was New Year's Eve, and also before that was the National Day Parade. Because there were fireworks and army, right? They actually jump over parachute down into the land there. It was like spectacular. Oh, there's another tourist here. It's like every few minutes they're coming. I mean, it's just sort of like awakening your senses when you watch the work passing through the Singapore River, and also there's the Marina Bay Sands passing in the background. Let's enjoy this for a while. But guess what? Last time actually I seen the boats, right? That's brighter. This one is a bit dark, but it's okay. Today is actually a bit cold, man. Lots of wind. Another cool angle to take the photos in Merlion background is over there. You see like what people are doing. Taking photos. There's some kind of light flickering at the Maybank building. Come here quite often, like every 1 or 2 weeks, because I really like to watch people here, and because they're so happy taking their selfie. We feel like once again it's a Chinese New Year, which of course is coming in only this month. This year the Chinese New Year happened it's on the February 2026. Now it's still January, there's about 1 month left, but in Singapore, like Chinatown places, they are already like selling the Chinatown, the Chinese New Year stuff, like the red packets. They call it ambao in Chinese, mini baguettes, and also Chinese clothes, and some of the goodies like the pastry, like the pineapple tarts, and much more. Lots of Chinese New Year goodies now in the NTUC fair price. They are selling. Even professional cameramen will come here and take the videos of the boat. I think some tourists are waving at us. This is a nice one. Water being. The next one coming. There's one more there in the corner. Okay. 7:35 p.m. already sunset. Nice view. I show you the small Merlion right now. Let's go. So right here is a small Merlion. At 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. every day there will be a spectral light water show opposite at the Marina Bay Sands. But if you stand here, you can watch. But I mean, it's less crowded, but it won't be like the sound effect won't be so good. Look at the CBD. Those of Amo are sitting here relaxed and enjoying the view of the Marina Bay Sands opposite. Actually, they are waiting for the show at 8 p.m. man, but I've seen it like countless times. You can check my channel. It's called Spectra Light and Water Show at Marina Bay Sands. You can find the video, you see. And this area is pet friendly. I yet to see any pet dogs or pet cats, you know. This place amazing. Merlion Bay Hotel, Bank of America. So this bridge links the Merlion Park all the way to the Merlion Bay Hotel right here. There's a little bar on the right side. Hello from Singapore. Today I'm at the iconic Lau Pa Sat. Right here is the satay street. Look at how many people are queuing and how many people are eating here right now. Lots of satay going on. The action stall number 8. Look at the smoke coming, man. Wow, the fire. Oh, there's a food folks here. Wow, look at this. So nice. Lau Pa Sat food folks coffee kiosk. And they sell the t-shirts as well in Singapore. The other one like Singapore chili crab, chicken rice, and more. Umbrella, $10.90. Oh, I like this. The kaya, nice sugar for people in Wang. Check this out, Jewel Changi Airport. Hey, they even sell the hat here, Lau Pa Sat. It looks like a conical hat from Vietnam, right? But you just add the word outside Lau Pa Sat. The bell or something, a church or something. I'm now trying the power of Singapore. Banh mi and beef cookie. Look at that, man. Mee goreng for just $2. Scrambled egg rice chain, Shanghai fried xiaolong bao. Minced meat noodles, traditional prawn noodles, Indian cuisine. Vegetarian lovers will be like there's an Indian veggie restaurant, there's a Vietnamese restaurant. I mean the food. Fu Tian is a famous brand, classic fried rice, grilled fish, Teochew fish noodles outside. Oh, such a fish here, man. Having stuff up to 4,000 per month is quite high, right? Almost 9 p.m. The crowd is still a lot. Thunder tea rice. I think this is iPhone, eh? I don't know. Brazil chicken and stuff. Like for cardio sweat after all those walking, it's really a refreshing drink. It brings the ions in the body.